I welcome you all in my lecture number 6. This lecture we will study about real number representation, whether the real number is signed or unsigned. Okay. So before moving to the real number representation, first of all we have to study how we calculate r's and r minus 1's complement of real number. है ना? तो इससे पहले हमने पढ़ा था कि अगर इंटीजर है तो हम उसका कैसे आर्स एंड आर माइनस वंस कम्प्लीमेंट कैलकुलेट करेंगे. नाउ वी विल गो फॉर द रियल नंबर्स. तो आर माइनस वंस complement for real number. The procedure is same for both, whether it is real or integer, है ना? So for example, suppose I want to find 9's complement of 7 to 3.95. This is our decimal number system and I am going to calculate 9's complement of this number. Okay na? What will be the solution? Will be our number is 7 to 3.95 and we know that अगर हमारे पास ऐसा कोई नंबर है जिसका रेडिक्स क्या है r है, तो हम क्या करते हैं, वी विल सब्ट्रैक्ट ईच डिजिट ऑफ दिस नंबर विथ r minus 1. will be r minus in r minus r minus r minus r minus each digit of this number will be subtracted from r minus 1. So here r is 10, so 10 minus 1 is 9, so the digit of this number will be subtracted from 9. It will give you 4 0 6 7 2. So this is the 9's complement of this number. Next example, find 1's complement of 1010011. This is our binary number system and I want to calculate 1's complement. What will be the solution? Solution you already know. We have the number. What is shortcut? I want 1's complement of this number, so you have to change 0 to 1, 1 to 0. It will be 1 0 0 1 point 1 0 1 0. This will be the 1's complement of given number. Okay na? Next, after this I want to calculate r's complement of real number. What will be r's complement of real number? So for example, suppose I want to find 10's complement of a number 7 to 1.95. Okay na? I want 10's complement. So we know that if we have a number abc.de 00, so we move from right to left and search for first non-zero value till that we copied all the zeros. Now when we get the first non-zero value, then we will subtract this value from radix of that number system and the remaining will be subtracted from r minus 1. So in this way the value obtained here will be the r's complement, है ना, यही हमें अप्लाई करना है. तो what will be the solution? Solution will be, I have 72195. From here I am checking for first non-zero value, so it is first non-zero value we will subtract from 10 and the remaining will be from subtract from 9. Okay, what will be the result? 50872. This will be the tens complement of this number. Next example, find two's complement of 11011 1 two's complement of this number, है ना. What will be the solution? For the two's complement, the number we have 0.011. So for two's complement, the last bit we copied as it is and the remaining 0 1 and 1 into 0 में हम चेंज कर देते हैं. It will be 0.00010. This will be the two's complement of this number. This way you can calculate r and r minus 1's complement of real number, okay ना. So the next concept is real number representation. So whether the real number is unsigned like 42.625 or minus 42.625, whether it is unsigned or signed, है ना, उन दोनों के लिए हम क्या पढ़ेंगे? रिप्रेजेंटेशन पढ़ेंगे. हाउ वी रिप्रेजेंट इन कंप्यूटर विल स्टडी हियर. So is of two types. So representation of real number can be done in two ways. The first way is fixed point representation, and the second one is floating point representation. Suppose I have a number 42.25. So in case of fixed point representation, this radix point position will be fixed, okay na. We cannot move this radix point either in left side or in right side in fixed point representation, okay na. And in fixed point representation, to store fractional part we have fixed number of digits, okay na. So here are fixed number of digits after the रेडिक्स पॉइंट, है ना. रेडिक्स पॉइंट के बाद हमारे पास क्या होता है? फिक्स्ड नंबर ऑफ डिजिट्स होता है. किसके लिए? फ्रैक्शनल पार्ट को स्टोर करने के लिए. देयर आर फिक्स्ड नंबर ऑफ डिजिट्स आफ्टर द रेडिक्स पॉइंट स्टोर fractional part, okay. But in this case, suppose we have this one, है ना. So in this case we can move this radix point in right direction, okay na. We can write like this in this case, floating point representation. it means that this radix point is floating in the left side, है ना, that's why it is called as floating point representation. float करता है, तैरता है ना, can move, but in this case that this radix point cannot move. हाँ, जितने डिजिट के बाद ये रेडिक्स पॉइंट मिला है उतने ही डिजिट के बाद ये स्टोर करने के बाद भी मिलेगा. ऑलवेज रिमेंबर इट. वी विल स्टडी इन डिटेल about the floating point representation in lecture. Now in this lecture we will concentrate on fixed point representation. In fixed point representation we will study for unsigned number, how we stored unsigned real number in fixed point representation and signed number, okay na. So in unsigned number what will be the format of representation? The format will be like this. We have two parts in it. The first part will store integral value, the second part will store fractional, है ना. तो अगर if we have 42.5 then 42 will be stored here, 5 will be stored here, है ना. But in signed real number, to store signed real number we have three fields. But in signed real number we have three fields, 1, 2, 3. This field is known as sign field, this one for integral and this one for fractional part, okay na. So let us discuss one by one. So it is for unsigned real number. Unsigned real number. Suppose I have a value 42.625 na, and we have to store this number. Suppose I want to store this number in 32-bit format. Out of these 32-bit, 16 bits are used for integral parts, always it is given, and rest 6 bits are used for fractional part. So what will be the storage? So first of all you have to take binary equivalent of this decimal number. What will be the binary equivalent of this number? We have 42. Will be the representation of this. So 1, 2, 4, 8, 10, 22. To get the next value you just multiply 2 with the previous. So 32 plus into 2 it will be 64. So this value is greater than this, so will not take it. 1 plus 32 will be 10. Then how we get 10? Rest will be 0, okay na. 42 can be represented as 42 is 10 10 10. Now the next stage I want 0.625 binary representation of fractional part. So we are multiplying with 2, it will be 5s are 10, 0 2 2s are 4, 1 5, 2 6s are 12. It will be like this. So rest will be 250 into 2, 3.50. So 0 will be here, Now 5 into 2, then it will be 1.0, will be 1. What will be the value? The value is 101. So for 0.625, the value will be 101. So how we store 32 bit? So this is used for integral part, this is used for fractional part. So for integral part we have 101010, but the length of this field will be 16 bits. For this also 16 bits. So remaining how many bits are there? 10 bits. So place 0 front of this, बिकॉज अगर आप 0 किसी नंबर के आगे लिख देते हैं तो उस नंबर की वैल्यू में कोई डिफरेंस नहीं आता. तो इट विल बी 30 40 5 6 7 9 10, है ना. So 42 in 16 bit represented like this. Next one is 0.625. It will be 1 0 1, only 3 bit, and rest will be 13 bit will be 0 here. So place 13 bit as 0. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13. This will be the representation for unsigned real number. Which representation? Point representation. Now the next concept is and real number. So I want to store this in fixed point representation. Okay, now suppose we have number minus 42.65, okay, and I am using 2's complement method. okay ना, ऐसा नहीं कि सिर्फ 2's complement से आप कर सकते हो, कैन डू इट विथ साइन मैग्नीट्यूड सिस्टम एंड 1's complement सिस्टम आल्सो. जहाँ पे मैं साइंड 2's complement सिस्टम में रिप्रेजेंट करूँगा, वहाँ पे आप क्या करना, 1's और साइन मैग्नीट्यूड सिस्टम को रिप्रेजेंट कर सकते हो इजीली. तो अगर हमको ये दिस इज अ नेगेटिव नंबर, तो उसको हम क्या करते हैं, साइन 2's complement में चेंज करने के लिए फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी चेंज द साइन, चेंज साइन. So it will be plus 42.625. Then we represent it in SMS. So in SMS it is 42 is 101010. I have already calculated. See here, I have already calculated. And 0.625 is 101. Okay, now, and since the sign is positive, so it is 0 here, place 0 here. Now we take 2's complement. So what will be the 2's complement? 1 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 will be the 2's complement form. It will, this is the representation for minus 42.624, sorry 625. So this is the representation of minus 42.625. okay na, but we want it in how many bits? In 16 bits. So I already told you which method, bit extension method. So it has 3 3 plus 1 7 bits, and the total length will be of 16 bits. So we have to copy this one how many times? 9 times. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. This one for sign bit, okay na? The rest will be for integral bit. Okay, so this is for sign. For integral, the rest will be for fraction. So fractional part will be 0 1 1, the rest bit will be 0 0 0. How many times? 13 times. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 12 13. Total it is of 16 bits. Is for 15 bits. Why 15 bits? Because one bit is for signed, is for one bit. Total architecture is of 32 bits. Already we have first it. Since for fractional part we have 16 bits, so the rest 16 bit is for the integral part and sign. Since sign take only one bit, so the remaining 15 bits is allocated for integral parts. Okay na? So in this way you can store signed a real number in fixed point floating representation. So it is not very important, but you have to know all this. Now we are going to solve all these questions. We have already given these questions in Telegram group. Okay na? So I am going to solve all these questions. You just match with your answer. Huh? So the question is, the number of digit 1 present in the binary representation of 3 into 512 plus 7 into 64 plus 5 into 8 plus 3. ऑलरेडी मैं इस टाइप का एक क्वेश्चन किया था. तो इट विल बी 3 इंटू 8 टू द पावर 3 प्लस 7 इंटू 8 टू द पावर 2 प्लस 5 इंटू 8 टू द पावर 1 प्लस दिस 3 कैन बी रिटन एज 8 टू द पावर 0. तो नाउ इट इज सेम एज ऑक्टल टू डेसिमल कन्वर्जन. जब हम इसका ऑक्टल लिखेंगे तो क्या लिखेंगे? ये फर्स्ट डिजिट हम लिख लेंगे. इट विल बी 3753 in octal. So octal can be written as 2 to the power 3. So each octal digit can be represented in 3 binary bits. What will be the binary representation for this? For 3 it is 011, for 7 it is 111. Already I have discussed all these things, how directly I am going to write. So for 5 it is 101, for 3 it is 011. This will be the binary representation. So how many bits are there? It is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Which option is correct? B option. Next question. In the next question we have n square is equal to 7601 with base 8. What will be the value? You just convert this value into the decimal number system. What will be the answer? So 7 into, what is the weight of this? 8 to the power 0, 8 to the power 1, 8 to the power 2, 8 to the power 3. 7 into 8 to the power 3 plus 6 into 8 square plus 0 into 8 to the power 1 plus 1 into 8 to the power 0. So when you solve it, then you will get n equal to 63 in decimal ना. n स्क्वायर की वैल्यू यहाँ पे कुछ आएगी, n की वैल्यू आपको क्या मिलेगा? यहाँ से 63 मिलेगा. है ना. तो इफ यू गेट 63 फ्रॉम एनी ऑफ दिस then that will be the correct option. So I have 241 base 5, okay na, so it will be 5, so 5 to the power 1 or 2. I am going to convert it in base 10. If in base 10 it is equal to the 63, then this option will be correct. So it is 2 into 5 square plus 4 into 5 to the power 1 plus 1 into 5 to the power 0. What will be the answer for this? Is plus 50 plus 20 plus 1. What will be the, so it is 71. So 63 will be the answer, but it gives you 71, so it is not correct. The first option is. Go for the second. 1436. So I am going to convert it in decimal number system. So to write positional weight for each digit is 6 to the power 0, 6 to the power 1, 6 to the power 2. What will be the value? 1 into plus 4 into 6 to the power 1 plus 3 into 6 to the power 0. It will be 36 plus 4 plus 3. It will be 3. So this equal to this. So which option is correct? B option. Okay. You can check for rest option also early. Now the third question is, if x is a binary number which is powers of 2, then the value of x and x minus 1, it is bitwise and I already mentioned here. Okay na? So in AND, if both value are 0, then output will be 0. When 1 0 and 1 1, then also it is 0. Okay, in this case also it is 0. When both the inputs are 1, then only it will give 1. This is AND. So x is in powers of 2, 2 के powers में है ये, है ना, but x minus 1 हमारा क्या हो जाएगा फिर उस केस में? x minus 1 will be 2 to the power n minus 1. Suppose n equal to 2, so it will be x equal to 4, so x minus 1 equal to 3. What will be the 4? Is 4 in what? Decimal. So we have to change it in binary. It will be 1 0 0. X minus 1 in decimal is 3. So if we change in binary, it will be 0 1 1. So what will be the result? X ampersand or AND operator, but it is not ampersand, it is bitwise AND, minus 1. So it will be 1 0 0 0 1 1. What will be the value? 0 0 0. Okay. Now again you take different value for n equal to suppose 3. So it will be 8, because it is 2 to the power n, 2 to the power 3, it is 8. 8 can be represented as, now x minus 1 will be 8 minus 1, that is 7. 7 is represented as 0 1 1. Okay, take bitwise AND. So it is 0, it is 1. So 0 1 पे output 0. Again 0 1 output. Again 0 1 output. Again 1 0 output 0. So in all the cases for any value of n, always the result will be 0. Which option is correct? B option. Okay. Now what is the radix of number if the solution of quadratic equation x square minus 10x plus 31 equal to 0 is x equal to 5 and equal to 8? Already I have solved this. X square minus 10x plus 31 is equal to 0. Compare it with general quadratic equation. What will be the value of a is 1, b is minus 10, c is 31. So sum of roots of root equal to minus b by a, already we have studied, it will be 10, okay na, and sum of root is 10 with base suppose r, don't know base na, so it is base r. So if I change this in decimal number system, then it will be r. So what will be the value in decimal? It is r, and sum of root is 5 plus 8 will be r equal to 8 plus 5, 13. What will be the radix? This will be the answer, okay na. If you want to verify, you can verify with the product of roots. Product of roots is equal to c by a, it will be alpha into beta equal to c by a. C is 31, so 31 with base r, so it will be 5 into 8 equal to, I want to convert it in base 10, so it will be r की power 0, r की power 1, so it will be 3r plus 1 in base 10. So take this 13, r equal to 13, it will be 40 in base 10, and this one is 13 into 3, 39 plus 1, what will be the value? 40 in base 10, okay na. Means what? It is verified, radix will be 13. So for this question we have to change the number is given in octal into hexadecimal and base 4, okay na. So first of all we are moving for the hexadecimal. So I have 1 2 3 4 5 6 with base 8, and I am going to convert it in base 16. So first of all we have to convert it in base 2. What will be in base 2? It can be written as 2 की power 3. So 2 की power 3 means we have 3 places. Weight is 1 2 4. So I want 1. How we will get 1? 001. Already we have done many times. It will be 001. I want 2, so we take this one, rest will be 0. It will be 010. I want 3, so it will be 011, because 2 plus 1 11, it is 0. I want 4, it will be 100. 100. I want 5, 101. I want 6, 110, okay na. Now 16 can be written as 2 की power 4. So each hexadecimal digit can be represented in 4 binary bits. So we have to group 4 bits, 4 bits. So this 4, then again 4, again 4. Okay, no need to write for this, because अगर किसी नंबर के आगे 0 होता है तो उसकी वैल्यू में कोई डिफरेंस नहीं होता ना, राइट. वैसे भी यहाँ पे क्या है, 4 डिजिट गिवन है, तो 4 डिजिट तक ही करो, आगे नहीं करना है. तो व्हाट विल बी द वैल्यू ऑफ दिस is 1248, 1248, 1248, 1248. 8 plus 2 is 10. 10 is A. It's 4 plus 2 plus 1. It is 7. 2. 8 plus 4 plus 2. 8 plus 4 is 12. 12 plus 2 is 14. 14 is E. Which option is it? A72E. A72E. So have, so these two are cancelled. Okay na? Now out of these two, let's see which one is correct. So I want to convert again this number in base 4. Okay na? First of all, again base 4 means 2 to the power 2, means base 4 के एक डिजिट को बाइनरी के कितने डिजिट में रिप्रेजेंट करेंगे? 2 डिजिट में. या 2 बिट्स में, है ना. So again you have to convert it in binary. It will be 001 010 011 100 101 110 is in binary. Now we have to group how many bits? 2 bits. So 2 बिट्स ले लिया, ग्रुप करते जाओ 2 बिट्स का, 2 बिट्स ग्रुपिंग. नो नीड टू ग्रुप दिस, है ना, बिकॉज 0 है तो 0 आएगा, तो उसका कोई वैल्यू नहीं है. तो व्हाट विल बी द वैल्यू ऑफ दिस? 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2. It will be 2, will be 3, will be 2 0 2 1. Okay, then is 2, it is 2 2 2 1, it is 3, huh? Okay, because 1 1 na, so 2 plus 1 is 3. 2 2 1 3 0 2 3 2. Which option? First option is. So let us try the sixth question. In the sixth question, the value of A is given, B is given, and it is 2 8-bit 2's complement number. So their product in 2's complement is asking. Okay na? I already told you, whenever it is given for multiplication, division or anything, you don't go for the binary multiplication, you go for the decimal multiplication. First of all, convert this in decimal. So it will be 1 1 1 1 1 0 1 0. So since MSB is 1, so the number is negative. So when the number is negative, then we have to take 2's complement to get equivalent decimal number. So it will be 1 0, rest will be 0 to 1 1 to 0 4 5. What will be the value? 1 2 4, it will be 6. 6 means is minus 6. Why minus? Because MSB is 1. MSB is 1, that's why it is minus. Now go for the B. B will be 0 0 0 0 1 0 1 0. So since the sign bit is 0, so the number is positive and bit will be in sign magnitude system. So 1 2 4 8 is 10 plus 10. So A into B will be minus 6 into 10 plus 10, it will be minus 6. What will be the minus 60? First of all, we have to change it plus 60, okay na, because we want binary operation, sorry, binary representation in 2's complement. So what will be the representation? See, we have to go for the 1 2 4 8 10 32 then 64. Don't want this. 1 32 plus 16 is 38 48 48 plus 8 56 plus 4 60, rest will be 0. What will be the value? Is 1 1 1 1 0 0. It is for 60, but we have plus sign, so it will be 0. So take 2's complement, because it is negative numbers, it will be 1 0 0 0 0 0 1. Okay na? Now see, the result must be in how many bits? 8 bits. Okay. But here we have only 7 bits. So what will do? Bit extension. Bit extension में क्या होता है? 9 बिट होता है, उसको जितने बिट मिसिंग होते हैं उन पे रिपीट कर देते हैं. तो हाउ मेनी बिट्स आर मिसिंग? ओनली 1 बिट्स. तो जैसे यहाँ पे हम क्या कर देंगे? वी विल टेक बिट एक्सटेंशन. What will be the value? 1 1 0 0 1 1 0 0 1 0 0. Sixth option, sixth का A option is correct. So the next question is, consider the equation 1 2 3 with base 5, x 8 with base y with x and y as unknown, then the number of possible solution is, what will be the possible solution, है ना। तो बस जब मैंने बोला था कि जब कुछ भी नहीं समझ में आए तुरंत क्या करना है, यू हैव टू चेंज इट इन डेसिमल। 1 2 3 with base 5 is equal to x8y. So I want to change it in decimal. That will be 5 to the power 0, 5 to the power 1, 5 to the power 2. It will be y की power 0, y की power 1. 5 square into 1 plus 2 into 5 1 plus 3 into 5 to the power 0. Then x to y power 1 plus 8 into y की power 0 is now in decimal. It will be 25 plus n plus 3 equal to xy plus 8. 25 10 35 plus 3 38 will be 38 equal to xy plus 8. xy is equal to 30. This is the relation, okay na? Now I want number of possible solution. Here x, here y. What are the possible values of x? But it always be less than y, है ना। क्योंकि जब भी कोई नंबर हम लेते हैं तो उस नंबर के जो डिजिट होते हैं हमेशा उसके बेस से कम होते हैं। बेस इज y, दैट्स why is always lesser, x always less than y and y always greater than, maximum value is 8, so is 8. Now I want x into y is equal to 30. What will be the possible solution? Possible solution is 8 means 9. Can we divide 30 with 9? No, no na. So it cannot be divided because both are integer. तो यहाँ पे क्या हो जाएगा, will be 10, 10 is greater than 8, then 11 will not divide 30, 12 no, 13 no, 14 no, 15 yes, 15 divide 30, है ना, then 30, only 3 solution. So what will be the corresponding x value? 10 into 3 30, 15 into 2 30, 30 to 1 30. How many possible solution is there? 3 solution. The option is correct. The only possible value of radix r that satisfies the equation root 1 to 1 with base r equal to 1 1 r is, so we have 1 to 1 with base r, it is equal to 1 1 base r. Square both the sides, will be 1 to 1 base r is equal to 11 square. What will be the value? Convert it in decimal. It will be r square plus 2r plus 1. This one is r plus 1 whole square. This is our equation. Don't cut both sides, okay? कुछ बचेगा नहीं. So, always go for the, now since we already have 2 in this radix, so r always be greater than 2. greater than 2 तो होगा, है ना, क्योंकि अगर हमारा रेडिक्स 2 से बड़ा नहीं होगा तो अंदर जो डिजिट अलाउड है ना, वो 2 कभी नहीं हो सकता, ओके। तो बाकी r की आप कोई भी वैल्यू ले लो, r इक्वल टू 3 ले लो, राइट, r इक्वल टू 4 ले लो, ये सेटिस्फाई होगा, r इक्वल टू 10 ले लो, सेटिस्फाई होगा, r की कोई भी वैल्यू ले लो, बस क्या होना चाहिए, विल बी ग्रेटर देन 2. ऑप्शन इज करेक्ट, डी ऑप्शन, ओके। सो दिस इज योर प्रैक्टिस क्वेश्चंस. बहुत इजी है, हाँ, यू जस्ट ट्राई. मेरा हमेशा फोकस रहता है ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा मैं क्वेश्चंस कराऊँ तुम लोगों का, क्योंकि एक बात याद रखना, कॉन्सेप्ट आप कितना भी पढ़ लो, लेकिन अगर आपने उन कॉन्सेप्ट को अप्लाई कैसे करना है, अगर आपने ये नहीं सीखा तो आपकी अच्छी रंग नहीं आ सकती। तो ऑलवेज गो फॉर द प्रैक्टिस, और ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा प्रैक्टिस करो। ठीक, तो अगर आपको हम लोगों के लेक्चर्स अच्छे लग रहे हैं तो लाइक करिए, कमेंट करिए और सब्सक्राइब करिए हमारे चैनल को। एक फैकल्टीज़ का चैनल है, और इसको अपने दोस्तों में भी शेयर करिए।